In this video, you'll learn how to sell USDT on the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete a peer-to-peer transaction and receive your funds quickly and securely. Begin by opening the OKX application on your device or navigating to the OKX website in your browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Buy Crypto. This is usually located in the navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on Buy Crypto to proceed to the next section. Next, from the options that appear, select P2P trading. This will direct you to the peer-to-peer trading interface where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users. In the P2P trading section, locate and tap the sell button. This will initiate the selling process for your cryptocurrency. You will then see various fields for you to fill out regarding the sale. Select coin and choose USDT from the drop-down menu. Then for the fiat field, select your local currency from the available options. This is important as it determines the currency in which you will receive payment. After selecting your coin and fiat currency, a list of potential buyers will appear. Review the offers and choose a buyer based on their reputation and the price they are offering. Tap on the option to sell USDT for the selected buyer. Next, you will need to enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Make sure to check the current exchange rate and transaction fees, as these can affect your total earnings. After entering the amount, confirm your transaction details. After this, you will wait for the buyer to send the payment. Keep an eye on your payment notifications, as this can take a few moments depending on the buyer's payment method. Once you receive the money in your account, you can proceed to the next step. After you have confirmed that the payment has been received, navigate back to the OKX app or website. Tap on the Release Crypto button to finalize the transaction. This step is crucial as it ensures the buyer receives their USDT after payment is confirmed. And there you have it. You have successfully completed the process of selling USDT on OKX, and the cash is now available to you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.